Hi students, welcome back to my YouTube channel DS Sean Maths Classes. In this class, we are solving exercise 7.10. From this exercise, the question number first is integral equal to x upon x square plus 1 dx and the limit is from 0 to 1. Using substitution method, putting x square plus 1 equal to t, differentiating both sides with respect to x, we have 2x into dx equal to dt, and now x dx equal to dt by 2. We are finding the value of x dx because we have x dx in the question, and now we are changing the limit. If x equal to 0, then t equal to, putting the value of x, 0 square plus 1 equal to 1, and if x equal to 1, then t equal to 1 square plus 1 equal to 2. Now integral becomes, the limit is now from 1 to 2, and the value of x dx is dt by 2. Dt and by 2 means we can write 1 by 2 out of the integral. And upon t, let here is 1. We are putting the value of x square plus 1 equal to t and x dx equal to dt by 2, and we have changed the limit because the number is changed in the form of t, so we have changed the limit in the form of t from 1 to 2. The integration of 1 upon t is log modulus t, and the limit is from 1 to 2. Now we are taking limit, that is upper limit minus lower limit. We are substituting 2 at the place of t and minus lower limit. Now we are substituting 1 at the place of t. Then we have log 2 minus log 1. We can write this as log 2 upon 1 by using the formula log m minus log n, that is log m upon n. Now we have 1 by 2 log 2. It's the answer of this question. Second is integral of sin phi under root sin phi and outside the under root cos to the power 5 phi and d phi, and the limit is from 0 to pi by 2. Limit is from 0 to pi by 2 under root sin phi, and we can write this as cos square phi and whole square and cos phi into d phi. Here the power of cos phi is 5, that is 2 to the 4 or 1, 5. Now from 0 to pi by 2 under root sin phi, and the formula of cos square phi is 1 minus sin square phi and whole square and cos phi into d phi, because 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta. Now we are putting sin phi equal to t, differentiating both sides with respect to phi. We have sin phi means differentiation of sin phi cos phi and dt upon d phi. We can write as cos phi d phi equal to dt, because we have in the question cos phi d phi. its value becomes dt. And now we are changing the limit. If phi equal to 0, then we have t equal to sine phi means 0 degree, its value is 0, sine 0 degree is 0. And if phi equal to pi by 2, then we have t equal to sine pi by 2, that is 1, value of sine pi by 2. Now we can write this as integral equal to, limit will be now from 0 to 1, and at the place of sine phi we have t, value of sine phi is t. Also in this bracket we can write 1 minus t square. At the place of sine phi we are putting t and whole square, and cos phi d phi is dt. Limit 0 to 1 under root t, it means t to the power of half, and we can use here the formula a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now we are multiplying t की power half to this. Dear students, it becomes limit is 0 to 1. We are multiplying t की power half to this brackets. Then we have t की power half plus t की power 9 by 2. 2 4 are 8 and 1 9, and minus 2. 2 2 are 4 or 1 5, t to the power of 5 by 2 and dt. Now we are integrating by using the formula x to the power n equal to x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Then we have power half plus 1 upon half plus 1 minus t power 9 by 2 plus 1 upon 9 by 2 plus 1 minus 2t power 5 by 2 plus 1 upon 5 by 2 plus 1, and the limit is from 0 to 1. Now by solving we get 2 1 are 2 and 1 3 by 2. We can write 2 by 3 t to the power 3 by 2 minus plus, it is plus 2 1 are 2 and 9, 11 by 2 यानी 2 by 11 and t to the power 11 by 2. 2 1 are 2 or 5 7 by 2, 2 2 are 4 by 7 t to the power 7 by 2, and the limit is 0 to 1. Now we are taking limit, upper limit minus lower limit. Then we get 2 by 3 plus 2 by 11 minus 4 upon 7. And now solving by taking LCM we have 2 3 1. 7 3 are 21, 21 1 are 21 का 1 carry 2 and 21 and 2 23. Dividing 2 31 by 3, 3 7 are 21 and remainder is 2, 3 7 are 21. 77 when multiplied by 2, then we get 2 7 are 14 का 4 carry 1, 2 7 are 14 and 1 15. Also dividing this number by 11 we have 21, 11 2s are 22 and 11 1s are 11. Multiplying 21 by 2 we have 42 minus 7 3s are 21 and 7 3s are 21. 33 4s are 4 3s are 12, 2 carry 1, 4 3s are 12 and 1 132. Now these two numbers are positive. Then adding these two numbers we have 6 5 and 4 9 and 1 minus 132 upon 231. Now subtracting 132 from 196 we get 64. 6 minus 2 4, 9 minus 3 6, and upon 2, 3, 1. The question is completed now. Question number 3. Integration of sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square, and the limit is from 0 to 1. Dear students, sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square is the formula of 2 tan inverse x. Now we can write tan inverse x into 1 and dx. जब इनवर्स फंक्शन के साथ कोई नंबर नहीं होती तो इनटू में 1 लेते हैं. नाउ यूजिंग आइडेट, it is the first function and it is the second function. Using formula, first integration of second dx minus integration of dy dx of first integration of second dx and whole dx. It is the formula. We have integration first and second dx. This is the formula. Using this formula, we have 2. First means tan inverse x, and the integration of second means 1 dx minus inside the integral dy dx of first means tan inverse x, and integration of second, it means 1 dx and whole dx, and the limit is from 0 to 1. 2. We have tan inverse x, and the integration of 1 dx is x, then we can write x tan inverse x minus differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square, and the integration of 1 dx is x and dx, and the limit is from 0 to 1. Now 2 x, देखिए here we can put 1 plus x square equal to t. Putting 1 plus x square equal to t. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get 2x dx equal to dt and x dx equal to dt by 2. Now integration becomes 2 in the bracket x tan inverse x minus integration x dx becomes dt upon 2. Upon 2 means we can write 1 by 2 outside the integral, and upon t, because 1 plus x square we have let t, and the limit is from 0 to 1. 2 x tan inverse x minus 1 upon 2 integration of 1 by t log modulus t, and the limit is from 0 to 1. 2 inside the bracket we have x tan inverse x and 1 by 2, and putting the value of t, which is 1 plus x square, and now we are taking limit. Then we have by upper limit minus lower limit. When we are putting the value of x, that is 1, then we have tan inverse 1 minus half log 2, and by using x equal to 0, we have 0 minus half log 1 value of log 1 is 0. We have tan inverse. At the place of 1 we can write tan pi by 4, because 1 is the value of tan pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 log 2, and this becomes 0. Log 1 is 0. By multiplying this, once again we are writing 2 outside the bracket, then inside the bracket we have pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 log 2, क्योंकि tan इनवर्स से tan कैंसिल हो गया. नाउ वी हैव पाई बाय 2 टू जा 4, pi by 2 minus log 2 by multiplying 2 inside the bracket. The question is completed. We will solve question number 4 now. Integration of x under root x plus 2 dx, and the limit is from 0 to 2 by using substitution method. Putting x plus 2 equal to t square, differentiating with respect to x. It's our choice. We can put x plus 2 equal to t square or t भी ले सकते हैं बच्चों, t स्क्वायर भी मान सकते हैं, तो t ले लेते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. इक्वल टू dt by changing limit. If x equal to 0, then t equal to 0 plus 2 equal to 2. If x equal to 2, then t equal to 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Now we have integration. The limit is now from 2 to 4, and x under root t dt. Also we have to change x in the form of t. We can change this by using, because we have x plus 2 equal to t, then therefore x equal to t minus 2, and under root t, multiply under root t to this number. We have t power 3 by 2, t की पावर 1 है, t की पावर हाफ 3 by 2 हो जाएगा, माइनस 2 t की पावर हाफ and dt. Now integrating, we have t power 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 t power half plus 1 upon में half plus 1, and the limit is from 2 to 4. By solving this, we have 2 1 are 2 and 3 5 by 2. Then we can write 2 upon 5 and t power 5 by 2 minus 2 1 are 2 and 1 3 3 by 2, 2 2 are 4 4 by 3, and t to the power 3 by 2, and the limit is from 2 to 4. And by taking limit from upper limit to lower limit, 4 to the power, also we can take out t to the power 3 by 2 common, t to the power of 3 by 2, and inside the bracket we can write 2 upon 5 t, because 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2, 2 by 2, that is t, and minus 4 upon 3, and the limit is from 2 to 4. Now we are taking limit 4 to the power 3 by 2 and 4 to the 8, 8 upon 5 minus 4 upon 3, minus ये हो गया अपर लिमिट माइनस लोअर लिमिट 2 to the power of 3 by 2, and in the bracket 2 to the 4 upon 5 minus 4 by 3. Now by solving, ये 2 की पावर 2 हो जाएगा, 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 2 की पावर 3 8. देखो 2 की पावर 2 ऊपर 3 by 2, 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 2 की पावर 3 8. ये इसका एलसीएम आ जाएगा 15, 5 3 जा 15, 3 8 जा 24 माइनस 3 5 जा 15, 5 4 जा 20, एंड माइनस ये हो जाएगा 2 की पावर 3 8 अंडर रूट 8 मीन्स 2 रूट 2, and The LCM is 15. 5 3 is 15, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 5 4 is 20. Now ये 24 में से 20 गया 4 बचा, 4 8 is 32 upon 15 minus 2 root 2 and inside the bracket minus 8 upon 15. Now total LCM becomes 15. We have 32 minus plus 8 to the 16 root 2. 16 upon 15 में पहले से ये 15 है, ये हो जाएगा 16 to the 32 plus root 2. Also we can take out root 2 common. Then we have inside the bracket root 2 plus 1. ये बच्चों इसका आंसर आ गया.